Oh hi, you might recognise me from previous videos. Welcome to our Las Vegas barbecue video. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Scott David McMillan, thoughts?
Thanks for inviting me, Dave.
Viven para siempre, sin fin, sin límites, siempre bailamos. Oh, 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 Vamos a vivir of the
Keep playing until you win your money back because you're guaranteed to win.
Of course.
Really fun.
Craps, yeah, definitely. And if in doubt, everything on black.
It's nice.
Todos brillan, la vida es una fiesta, bailamos hasta la noche, risas y ritmo, el corazón late, todo es hermoso, nada puede vencer, la vida es una fiesta, cada día es un regalo, sin preocupaciones, muévete al ritmo, te sientes libre, celebramos este momento, solo tú y yo.
Let's agree how we're going to hit it. Can you hit it like a golf shot?
We are live.
Or
Yeah,
do you have to go like that?
I don't think there should be rules. Ollie, you getting involved? I'm going for green. That's my ball.
I think you've got to use a ball to hit a ball.
I have no idea. We have another spare one.
Right.
You've got to hit it through the H's. Right, he's had one shot. Is that a warm up?
That was a warm-up.
Right, I'm going green. What are you going?
Right. Involves two sides, hitting balls with mallets for a signal of food to score points, bowling for a set number of points, and then hit a central stake.
Is that hard? Is it like strokes?
I think let's just play our own rules.
Okay, yeah.
It's like by running, here's just
How
correct
many
order.
strokes we do? Yeah?
Basically, in garden croquet, one side wins by scoring.
2,000 years later.
Nose, not just to give it a little tappy. A little tappy.
Are we playing like this?
There's one more.
Don't beat us. Yes, so
Beats us, go on.
this is English game.
Yes.
It's English, yeah?
Right. Okay, Scott's turn next. No, Vitas the
Put the ball
Stop.
through the hole.
Start in here, and you got a ball in there. Yeah.
I mean, none of us
know the rules. No.
Don't hit it too hard because then you've got to go back on yourself.
One shot at a time. Oh.
Hey!
Okay, Scott. So you're next.
We've got to go this way
You
now.
got to go back. I've overshot mine. You see it?
One eternity later.
Oh, good line.
How are we going to get through that?
Right, do you want me to play through?
Knock him out of the way.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Oh.
I'm going to smash the shit out of him.
Yes.
Oh!
Push
me through, and you didn't go through, so you got to go back.
I don't know. You got to go
No,
back.
you got to go back.
Come beat us.
Come on, Vitas. Oh, he's overshot it.
That's bad.
So
That's really bad.
Come
Yeah,
back.
yeah, come back.
Yeah.
That's really bad.
Right, you're next.
Green, you
I'll go after you.